Hi everyone, let's see how we can fix the Ubisoft Connect has detected an unrecoverable error. To get started, simply search for Task Manager and open it. Now in the search box here, type Ubisoft, search for any running processes and end them from here. Now search for Ubisoft Connect. Right click over it and click on Open File Location. From here, go to the Properties of the Ubisoft Connect shortcut. Go to the Compatibility tab and checkmark these three boxes exactly as shown. And save the change. And see if the error gets resolved or not. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next step. Simply search for %local app data % and open this folder. From here, locate the Ubisoft Game Launcher folder, select and delete it. Now close everything, restart your computer and this should fix the issue. However, if you still get the error, then proceed ahead with the next step. Simply search for installed apps and open it. From here, find Ubisoft Connect and simply uninstall it from here. At this point, don't checkmark these boxes and simply uninstall it. Once done with the uninstallation, simply download the latest version of Ubisoft Connect from its official webpage. Once downloaded, right-click over the setup file and run it as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions and install it. After installation, try to log in and you won't get the error further. Perform some additional checks. Simply search for date and time settings and open it. From here, make sure the set time zone automatically is turned on, and once you turn it on, synchronize the date and time. Now go to Windows Update. If there are any pending Windows updates, simply download and install them. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.